You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word but confusing word and break down the pronunciation. In English, it's pronounced triquetrum. I know it's quite confusing. This is a word from anatomy. Latin scientific name, triquetrum. Stress on the second syllable. The triquetrum as in a bone or a fracture. Triquetrum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.